How to get the Scythe glove in slap battles. Scythe glove unlocking process. New glove in slap battles. Requires farmland fray badge. Enables grabbing and spinning enemies before knocking them out. Unlocked through a challenging tower defense minigame activated with the Alchemist glove. Slap battles glove guides. Explore various gloves like Jester, Titan, Oven, and Druid gloves. Acquiring all gloves is a significant aspect of the game. Activating Scythe glove minigame. Use Alchemist glove to trigger the minigame. Collect 2 plain flowers and 1 hazel lily. Combine ingredients in a cauldron and drink the potion to start the minigame. Tower defense minigame strategy. Place scarecrows and farmers strategically for efficient enemy elimination. Prioritize towers using the priority first button. Limited money for towers. Choose placement wisely. Scythe glove functionality. Power 54, speed 16. Easy to cleave enemies. Throwing a scythe at opponents in a spinning loop. Targets one player at a time. Others hit are briefly knocked out. Similar to Tensil's move in the minigame. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.